Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a beautiful night. It's finally stopped raining. And we have some beautiful twinkly lights, and it's nice and clear tonight, so I'm very, very happy to be painting. I haven't been able to for a few days. When it's just raining up and down, it's fine, but when the rain starts to go sideways, it doesn't work so good. So, I'm ecstatic to be here tonight. I have here a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges and the surface with a beautiful color. This one is Modern Masters Venetian Blue, and I actually was inspired to use this color after watching my friend Kelly from Feral Art. She's been doing these February follies every day, and she used the Venetian Blue this afternoon. It was so beautiful, and I was like, oh, I have that color. I love that color. So thank you, Kelly, for our Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. Very, very pretty color. I really, really like this. It's never actually disappointed in me in all the times that I've used it, and it's a beautiful paint. I did want to mention one thing. Some of the paints, like the Lumiere by DecoArt, is a beautiful paint for smaller things, but I also think that that consistency is awesome for using as a background color to pre-paint your canvases if you're doing something like a transparent base coat. Some of the golden paints, which are the thicker, heavy-bodied paints, they're a little more difficult to dry brush onto the canvas. So if you have something like the Modern Masters, which is a little thinner and more liquidy, or the Lumiere by DecoArt, it goes on much smoother and much easier. Just a note about how I paint the canvas. I use a chiseled sponge brush, and I put on one coat just straight out of the can. I let it dry, and then I go around the edges because it drives me nuts when I see little bald spots around the edges, and then when that's dry, then I go in and I put it on a second coat. So that middle step of waiting for it to dry and then doing the edges and letting that dry. So it takes about, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes to do the whole canvas, but it's not a big deal, and I love the way that the edges look nice and solid and everything is beautiful and covered and it's not streaky. So that's just a little bit about that. So tonight we are using some of the colors we've used before, but we have a new addition. We have that beautiful Amsterdam Pearl Blue, which I love. We have the Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. We have the DecoArt 24 Karat Gold, which I love, and is HOA's little showgirl over there. And tonight we have Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet also. So I think that's going to look really, really pretty with this beautiful deep blue, and with the pearl blue doing those little ghosty, beautiful lightning streaks. I think is going to be awesome. So we also have my transparent base coat, which is my pouring medium, which is made of the Golden's heavy gel gloss and Floetrol and water. And this is pretty thin. Slight mound before it sinks into itself. Really pretty stuff. So we're going to put down a puddle of our transparent base coat. Then we're going to write some things. Then we're going to stretch it out. So let's start with a nice big puddle right here in the middle. That's a lot, but we can stretch it out. Ooh, and there might be some lumps. Maybe not though. Alright, let's see. Alright, that looks pretty good. So tonight we're going to actually start with the pearl blue. No, the pearl blue. Yeah. And we are going to write.
My suggestion wouldn't fit, which would be tranquility. Peace, love, and tranquility.
Well, we did peace and we did love.
That's what I'm saying. Peace, love, and then tranquility would be next, but I didn't think it would
Tranquility?
fit.
Okay. How about love and light and maybe tranquility? Okay.
I'm not sure all that would fit, light and tranquility.
Well, we'll see. All right, we're going to start with the 24 karat gold just so you guys can see. Actually, I'm going to torch it real quick because it's bubbles. The reason that you pop the bubbles before you start tilting is because the bubbles will actually disrupt your composition. So you want to get rid of them as soon as possible. Okay, so let's start our writing, our hidden messages. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. We're going to start with love. we're gonna do light. It's so funny, it makes me feel like I don't know how to write.
You should try it upside down.
No, thank you. Okay, love and light. Okay, now we're gonna come in with some of the pearl blue on top of that. And I'm just gonna go directly over it. It's not gonna be perfect, and that's okay. I don't actually want it to be perfect. I like these hidden message ones, though. They're a lot of fun. Okay, now let's do some of our purple, the permanent blue violet. Whee! Okay.
Wrecked it. It's a bottle rack.
Right?
You've ever done a bottle rack before?
Okay. Okay, now we're going to come in with the pearl yellow, which will dry a very pretty gold, light gold. And I think I want to put one more layer of blue on there, but maybe kind of a little wild and crazy. Okay. All right. And I do want to wreck it. Thank you for reminding me of that. And wrecking it, I like it because there are still some more distinct lines, but the wrecking it also creates a softer, more flowy element, which I really do like. So I'm just gonna move around a little bit, make some pretty swirls. Okay, that's cool. All right, put some of this on the corners and edges. Alrighty, let's tilt this baby out. Let's find the way to the paint first. Down this side. And we want to anchor the words over the edges. Corner. Love that bleed we're getting on that side. That's so cool. this edge up a little bit more. I think that's it. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
Just a touch. Okay, that's cool. It's pretty. I really like this top edge where the purple has like anchored over the edge, and then as we tilted it back, it drags the paint a little bit and kind of bleeds. It's really pretty. I can see lots of the layers of the pearl blue or the pearl yellow and the purple. Really cool. I love that side. This is really pretty. Delicate and beautiful. I kind of like that you can't see the words anymore. But I know they were there, and so do you guys. So this is looking pretty cool. I like this a lot. I'm very happy with how it's turned out. And I'm excited to watch it dry. I will show you guys when it is dry. We'll be right back. This is cool. Okay, here we are a couple days later. This dried so pretty. I'm so excited about this. I love how that purple corner stretched and gave us that gradient. And you see the pearl blue in there and the pearl yellow and the 24 karat gold. This one's very blingy. Looks awesome though. I really like how this one turned out. I like the composition. I can still kind of see the word love on top. Light got a little interesting, but that's okay. This is really fun. HOA, can you do some tilty for us? Maybe there you go. The pearl blue is blinging, so is the 24 karat gold, and I see the pearl yellow as the lighter color in there. That's really cool. Awesome. Can you go back and forth a little bit more? Like up and down? There you go. What do you think, huh? Cool. Anyways, this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I've been having a lot of fun with these. I hope you guys have been enjoying watching them. If you have, please do me a favor and make sure that you are subscribed and hit that like button and maybe leave me a comment. And if you can, please share, because that really helps a lot. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.